Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making spicy lemon chicken potato recipe. So let me show you the ingredients I'll be using for the recipe. I'll be using chicken thighs, fresh thyme and rosemary, lemon, onion, garlic, ginger, salt, paprika, chili pepper, olive oil, and Irish potatoes. So I'm going to blend the onion, ginger, garlic, thyme and rosemary together. This is the blended mixture. I'm not going to mix it with the chicken. Add the paprika, salt, and mix all together. I added 1 more tablespoon of paprika. Add the olive oil and mix everything together. After mixing, I'm now going to cover it with plastic film and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours. So here is the chicken after about 2 hours in the fridge. I'm now going to transfer them into a baking tray. Cut the potatoes. I'm also going to cut the lemon. I'm using only 1 lemon. So I'm now going to transfer the potatoes into the remaining stock and mix all together. So after mixing the potatoes, I'm now going to transfer it into the baking tray. I'm going to add the lemon. So in my preheated oven, I'm going to put the potato and chicken. So now I'm going to put the potatoes and chicken in the oven and bake for 40 minutes in 200 degrees. Our spicy lemon chicken and potatoes is ready. Thanks for watching and please subscribe if you've not done that already. See you guys in my next video. Bye.